Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 11. This works on all iPhone models. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue holding the lock button until your phone completely turns off and turns back on. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then let go. You can let go. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification, and also drop a like on the video. And there you guys go, your phone has been soft resetted.